Windscribe is a light piece of software that enables you to securely and anonymously browse the internet while blocking web beacons and ad trackers via an encrypted tunnel from your computer to the dedicated servers. The application comes with a fresh and modern interface that is also well structured and intuitive, regardless of your experience with operating VPN tools. As far as the functionality is concerned, you can select a location and the application automatically creates the encrypted connection that allows you to surf the web privately. It is worth mentioning that the app comes with a firewall function that enables you to disable all current connections that are not established via the VPN client. In other words, the app provides you with an extra layer of protection that prevents the exposure of your real IP address, just in case the connection you are using drops. The function can come in handy in circumstances when you need to restart your computer or your Wi-Fi connection suddenly drops, for instance. You should know that the program features 3 connections modes that include different ports and can be useful in various situations. While it is unlikely that you need to use anything else but the default mode, there can be times when certain ports are blocked or perhaps the ISP is performing a deep check of the network. In the latter situation, you can just switch to the TCP backup protocol, and if this solution does not allow you to establish a connection, you can opt for the stealth mode. On a side note, in case you need to connect to a secondary location or create safe links, then you can consider including the browser extensions. However, you should keep in mind that attempting to establish connections from 2 places simultaneously can slow down the speed of your internet. All in all, if you want to access restricted content for your geographic region, block tracking and make sure that you keep your online activity private from your ISP, then perhaps Windscribe can lend you a hand. It's also available as a browser extension for Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Opera. See you next video.